If two events E and F are not independent, then P, E, and F. So first of all, remember, if they are independent, then P, E, and F is simply PE times PF. But if they are not independent, then we actually have a basic formula, which we should know. So the formula is for PA given B. It's abbreviated as A straight line B, and that's equal to P of A and B divided by PB. So whatever is given, which means whatever is after this slash, that comes in the denominator, and then in the numerator you have A and B, and it doesn't matter which order you do A and B. You could do A and B, you could do B and A, that's the same thing. But the important thing is that whatever is after the slash or whatever is given, that comes in the denominator. So if you do the algebra with this equation, you multiply both sides by PB, you get this. You get PA and B equals PB times PA given B. Now, the way to remember equation of this form, because a lot of times you won't have A and B, you'll have different kinds of letters. So the quick way to see is that in this product, whatever is coming after the slash, so B is coming after the slash, so B should be the standalone thing over here. So if like it was B slash A here, if these two were reversed, if this was B slash A, then this should be A. So this one needs to match with whatever is after the slash. So now keeping this in mind, we return. So P, E, and F. So remember what we just talked about. So you have to look for the one. So obviously these are out, these are out. It has to be this or this. So you see after the slash, in this case, after the slash, you have E and you have E here. So that is right. But let's look at the other one. Here after the slash, you have F, but you have E here. That can't be. So it has to be this. Describe what the notation B slash A means. So that means B given A, probability of B given A. So let's see, probability of B occurring given that A has occurred, right? Suppose you just received a shipment of 8 TVs, 4 are defective. If 2 are randomly selected, compute the probability that both work. So 4 out of 8 are defective. So it means 4 of them work. So probability, the first one will work would be 4 out of 8. And then the probability, so after you have selected one that works, remember total were 8 televisions. So in fact, let's write this thing down. So we had 8 TVs and 4 defective. Eight TV total, 4 defective. So that means 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 work. The question was, what's the probability that both work? So work and work. So the first one works would be 4 working out of 8 total. So 4 out of 8. And then the second one working. So you've selected one working one out of the 8. So you have 7 total left, and you have 3 working ones left. So you'll have 3 out of 7. So 4 out of 8 times 3 out of 7. So that'd be 3 out of 14. They need decimals. So 3 out of 14 is 0.214. A probability that at least one does not work. So at least one, something we've done so many times, and we'll do it the same way. So the question was probability at least one does not work. So at least one does not work. So that would be 1 minus probability of none does not work. So none does not work is another way of saying both work. And we've just established probability of both working was 0.214. That was part A. So that would be 1 minus 0.214. So that's equal to 0.786.